Introducing the R Series loader. It's different. It has improved performance, it has sharp lines and a rugged appearance, improved comfort and ability, better technology, and it has improved and easier accessibility for service. But let's take a closer look at this machine and see what's in store for you. On the surface, the first thing you may notice is the model numbering has changed. The first models to be released will be the S and T76. Additional models in the lineup will be released over the course of the next couple of years. Now, as you have noticed, instead of seeing a 3-digit model number, such as an S650, the new R Series will sport a 2-digit model number, such as an S or T76. The S and T will still reflect whether the machine is a skid steer or tracked loader. And the first number, moving from left to right, will indicate the frame size of the machine. As the frame size increases, this number will also increase by 1 digit, defining the new frame size as it corresponds to a model sizing chart. Now, as we move around the machine, some of the other features you will notice will include newly designed lift arms that will provide increased lifting capacities and lift heights. This improvement is due to creating a single lift point and moving the link to the rear of the machine. As you move around to the front of the machine, you will also notice that the front view of the loader arms has changed. The flat face seams is no longer there. They've been removed to improve operator visibility. But more than that, Bobcat has incorporated steel castings into the loader arm design. Cast steel has proven to be 20% stronger and has been placed in locations where it's exactly needed to improve strength and durability. You will also find a new cast steel bobtatch system, redesigned to allow dirt and debris to pass through, with less buildup and reduced issues. The cab is now a single fully enclosed system, providing a quieter environment with better visibility and reduced noise and vibration. You will also notice that the interior of the cab has a wider design to improve comfort, complete with a 5-inch standard LED color display that will provide full-featured machine interaction and monitoring capabilities from within the cab. And if needed, a Bobcat touchscreen display, which is a 7-inch color display, can also be ordered as a factory option. The Bobcat touchscreen display will provide capabilities such as a backup camera, increased ability to notify operators or technicians about problems with the machine, as well as a radio, Bluetooth phone call capability, touchscreen sensitivity used with lightweight gloves, and the ability to provide instruction on how to use attachments attached to the machine. Now, as far as service accessibility is concerned, once the cab has been safely lifted, you will notice that the space under the cab has been significantly reorganized. Components such as valves, hydraulic connections, and the electrical system can be easily accessed and worked on as needed. The battery is located in the front left-hand corner of the machine, with a remote positive terminal located in the engine compartment. The hydraulic valves and hydraulic tank are located on the rear wall, and the electrical fuses, relays, and control units are found on the right-hand side, with the exception of the engine control unit, which can be found in the engine compartment. In addition to this, due to the redesign of the loader arms in the single cab system, the newly created space between the loader arms and the wheels now allows for easy access to service components under the cab, without having to lift the lift arms. Moving to the rear of the machine, one of the most notable changes is the tailgate. With the R Series, the tailgate has been redesigned, incorporating steel louvers, which allows the air to flow through the tailgate, over the engine and up through the radiator, providing better cooling for the engine compartment and resulting in improved performance. This system is supported by a larger fan and a higher capacity radiator. The fan is approximately 50% larger, achieving improved cooling at a slower rotation, lowering engine temps and keeping the overall noise down. And it's fair to note that having a larger radiator increases cooling in all operating conditions, resulting in improved performance. You will also notice that the engine is mounted in line. This is because the R Series now sports a direct drive system. The direct drive system is connected to and driven with a drive coupler that has been over-designed to perform as needed, providing improved performance. You will also notice that the chain case has now been moved outboard along the outside of the R Series frame. This change provides improved access for repair and maintenance if needed. However, with these changes, the system is still maintenance-free, and the system still utilizes the same high-strength chain and chain size that you're used to. As we continue to explore the engine compartment, the R-Series utilizes a redesigned and improved fuel system, sporting an ultra-low fuel consumption system that improves fuel efficiency and eliminates the need for a fuel cooler. But what does that mean? The tank now sits vertically on the right-hand side of the loader's engine compartment. Inside the fuel tank is a new fuel module system that will enable more usable fuel to be captured from every tank full, even when the fuel level is very low. This not only extends productivity per tank, but it also improves the ability to work on slopes when the fuel level in the tank is low. In addition to this, a new fuel lift pump and self-priming fuel system enables the self-priming system to continuously force air out of the engine and back to the fuel tank to be vented. This eliminates the need for a primer bulb, making it easier for operators if the fuel tank runs empty. Also, the new and improved fuel recirculation valve found in the fuel system circuitry is designed to return warm fuel to the lift pump to reduce fuel gelling issues. This method has proven to work better than an electric heater, keeping the machine running in frigid conditions and improving cold weather performance. Continuing with the fuel system, you'll also find that the fuel filter has been improved by more than doubling its size and adding a clear water bowl for easy monitoring. With the increased filter size, this enables longer filter life and better system protection due to the increased holding capacity to capture impurities for longer intervals, doubling the life of the filter. And if the fuel filter is plugged, has low pressure issues, or is reaching the end of its service life, there's a sensor that will communicate these situations through the display located in the cab. And when the filter needs to be changed, it's easier to do, due to the location of the filter in the engine compartment. These are a few of the main features and changes that can be seen with the new R-Series loader, improving performance, durability, comfort, and service accessibility.